Hey there, friends. I have some exciting news. So, you might be aware Norwex is celebrating our 31st birthday this month. And now we're celebrating it in probably the best way possible with a skincare sale. And not just any sale, you guys. This is 25% off everything in our clean skincare line. So, that includes full sizes and refills. This is available while supplies last. So, if you've been thinking about maybe refreshing your skincare routine, trying something new, or you need to restock on some Norwex skincare that you've fallen in love with, now's your time. So I'm going to cover this sale in terms of simple but powerful steps in a skincare routine. So first step in any skincare routine, regardless of what you're using, is to cleanse the skin. So I use one of my Norwex microfiber cloths, and then I come in with the cleansing facial powder. This is water activated powder. It gently exfoliates and brightens without stripping our skin. It is packed full of prebiotics and Nordic antioxidants to support our skin's microbiome. And yes, both the full size and the refill are on sale. Plus, cleansing facial powder is EWG Verified, and that means that it meets the strictest clean ingredient standards set forth by the Environmental Working Group. It's basically like the gold standard when it comes to safe, non-toxic products. So step 2 in any skincare routine, we're going to treat the problems. I know I love our treatment line. So you're going to pick and choose what might fit you best. And when you think about step 2 in that treatment stage, we're going to do targeted treatment for our eyes, skin issues, things like that. So we're going to start with one of my morning favorites, the Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Each one of these little capsules delivers the perfect dose of antioxidants to even out our skin tone, to boost the skin's radiance. This is ideal for dull skin, age spots, and even those fine lines that creep up on all of us. Both the full size and the refill are 25% off. Now at night, I use the Smoothing Buccuccio Serum. This is a gentle plant-based retinol alternative. It helps to smooth the texture and reduce wrinkles without any irritation at all. Both the full size and the refill on this are 25% off. And yes, they're both EWG verified. But we can't forget the eyes, right? The windows to the soul. I love the Renewing Eye Cream. It targets puffiness, dark circles. It has some amazing ingredients like glacial water to keep our eyes bright and hydrated. Both the full size and the refill are 25% off, and they're EWG verified. And then there's also the Rejuvenating Serum, which I've been using for many years. This is a multitasking product. You can use this after your vitamin C in the morning, or maybe if you're not using vitamin C, you would use this right after cleansing. It improves elasticity, which gives that lifted glow look. Both the full size and the refill are on sale for 25% off, and they're EWG verified as well, which is awesome. And by the way, when I say they're available for refill, that's what the refills look like in a lot of these products. Now, next up in our skincare routine, we're going to moisturize. So the hydrating moisturizer is great. It is a silky gel-like cream. It has glacial water, probiotic, Nordic oils, gives our skin long-lasting hydration, and it layers beautifully under makeup. Both the full size and the refill are 25% off, and yep, it's EWG verified too. Now at night for moisturizing, I use the Detox and Restore Hydrating Night Cream. It's rich, nourishing, very detoxifying. It's perfect for helping the skin heal and gives us some resilience in battling the everyday things, right? So both the full size and the refill, also 25% off, and yep, EWG verified as well. So if you're craving a little bit of extra nourishment, which I always am, I do recommend taking a look at the Illuminating Oil. It has 15 plant-based oils that deeply hydrate and boost your natural glow. Doesn't look oily, it just boosts that glow. I like to put this on either after my moisturizer, or I'll add a couple drops to my moisturizer, and yep, it's EWG verified. Now, the last step in any skincare routine, we're going to call this step 4, is to protect our skin. Now, we want to protect our gorgeous skin, right? And so I use the Protect and Prevent Mineral Sunscreen. I use it every day. It's sheer, lightweight, SPF 30. It guards against UVA, UVB, blue light, and pollution with reef safe non-nano zinc oxide, which is amazing. This is a daily must-have, and you guessed it, 25% off. Plus, this doubles as a primer for my makeup girlies. And if you're looking for skincare for a teen, I recommend the cleansing facial powder, the hydrating moisturizer, and that Protect and Prevent. That is a perfect set for a teen. So whether you're restocking up on some of your favorites, or maybe you're building a full routine from scratch, now's the perfect time to glow all out. So I will put the link to view everything in the description, but please let me know if you have any questions. If you want me to help you build a skincare routine, I would be very happy to do that. So this sale runs through July 1st or while supplies last. I'll see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.